we can sort of acquiesce to despair, and that benefits no one, right? There's no agency there. There's no action. Wendell Berry would say despair is silence, right? So there's not collaboration, there's not community. Or we say, look, we all have, different faith traditions, we all have different belief systems, but we need to sort of animate toward a better good. We need to animate toward change. We need to, come together. There needs to be some solidarity here. I've come around to this kind of conception of hope as a commitment towards the work of kind of realizing a good that you might not be able to articulate. It's ill-defined. Mm-hmm. This is Aquinas, right? It's an ill-defined, arduous good. But we can lean into that ill-defined, arduous good, make it a habit,